Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. Some of you might have your eyes on Samsung Galaxy S10 or the rumored Galaxy Note 10, but it might be better if you wait for Samsung Galaxy S11. For now, the Samsung Galaxy S11 is little more than a speck on the horizon. While official information on the follow-up on the Galaxy S10 is non-existent, we can indulge ourselves few educated guesses on what the Korean company has planned. There are also a few things we would definitely like to see when Samsung announces its next flagship. When will it launch? Samsung's flagship handsets launch like clockwork within the same 2-month period, in either February or March. Samsung will probably host its Unpacked event, a time for the company to unveil its Galaxy S phones, with a public release 1 month later. The Galaxy S9 and S10 were officially announced at Samsung Unpacked in February 2018 and 2019 respectively, and then sold in March of the same year. So we can say with some confidence that the Samsung Galaxy S11 will be shown in February or March of 2020. How much will it cost? If we assume that there will be more than one Galaxy S11 handset, we can equally assume that these phones will have variety of budgets. The Galaxy S10e cost around €669, which is relatively inexpensive when compared to €1,399 that you can spend on 1TB Galaxy S10 Plus. The regular Galaxy S10 sits in the middle, costing €799 for the 128GB model. By evaluating all these prices, it's safe to assume you have to pay upwards of €800 for a basic Galaxy S11. And don't be surprised if the vast majority of high storage, high memory options come in at over €1,000. What about the display? It's been considered a holy practice for smartphone designers for some time now to design an edge-to-edge, pretty much bezel-free screen that can slot the front-facing camera behind the display panel without the need for a notch or motorized slide-out camera. And Samsung might be the closest to achieving it. According to rumors out of South Korea, practically all phone makers are tirelessly inching toward that goal. Progress from Samsung display engineers would certainly suggest they would be the first to achieve it. The real question is whether or not we can expect to see such an innovation debut with the Galaxy S11. What will be the processing chip? Going forward, the company plans to integrate the actual 5G modem with its mobile processor. Qualcomm President Cristiano Amon said that the technology will make its way to devices next year, and already Samsung has committed to using the chip in its flagship models. According to Qualcomm, the new combined chip would be more power efficient, which would let phones like the Galaxy S11's battery last longer. And since there will only be one chip inside the smartphone, it would give Samsung more of an opportunity to streamline the smartphone's design and perhaps make it less chunky. What about the headphone jack? ET News said that Samsung has decided to go with USB-C exclusively in the Galaxy S11. That means the company will ditch the headphone jack and requiring you to use wireless earbuds or a dongle in the box that will let you plug in 3.5mm headphones. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video.
Hi! Want to know more about the futuristic tech and latest gadgets? At Techtastic, we provide news, reviews and updates of the latest tech on the market. So don't forget to subscribe to my new channel in the description below.